Hey, we need to talk about the laundry.
Sure, what's up?
It's your turn this week, isn't it?
I thought it was your turn.
No, I did it last week.
Oh, I must have forgotten.
It's okay. Can you do it this week?
I'm quite busy this week.
Can we switch turns then?
That sounds fair.
Great. I'll do it this week.
And I'll take over next week.
Do you have any laundry preferences?
I prefer cold wash for my clothes.
All right, I'll keep that in mind.
And please separate the whites.
Of course, I always do.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
No problem. Anything else?
That's all for now.
Okay, I'll get to it then.
Thanks for understanding.
It's no big deal. We're roommates.
True. I'll remember next time.
That's all I ask.
Thanks, mate. Let's learn about laundry.
Okay, where do we start?
First, we sort clothes.
How do we do that?
We separate by color.
Why do we do that?
It prevents color bleeding.
That makes sense. What's next?
We choose the detergent.
Which one should we use?
It depends on the clothes.
Can you give an example?
Delicate fabrics need gentle detergent.
I see. What about machine settings?
We adjust them based on clothes.
What setting for my jeans?
Use the regular cycle for jeans.
And for my white shirts?
Use delicate cycle and cold water.
Why cold water?
It prevents shrinking and fading.
Got it. Anything else?
Clean the lint trap after drying.
Why is that important?
It helps the dryer work efficiently.
I'll remember that. Thanks.
You're welcome. It's an important skill.
I agree. I'll practice.
Good. Let's start now.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's discuss eco-friendly laundry.
Sure, what's the first step?
We should use cold water.
Cold water? Why?
It uses less energy.
Interesting. What else?
Use eco-friendly detergents.
What makes them eco-friendly?
They are plant-based and biodegradable.
Good to know. Any other tips?
Yes, air dry clothes if possible.
Why is air drying better?
It also saves energy.
That's a great tip. Anything else?
Always wash full loads.
Why is that important?
It conserves water.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks.
You're welcome. Let's be eco-friendly.
Absolutely, starting with our laundry.
Let's talk about efficient laundry.
Sounds good. Where do we start?
Let's start with stain removal.
What's the best way to remove stains?
Pre-treat stains before washing.
What should I use for pre-treating?
Use a stain remover or detergent.
Got it. What's next?
Prevent clothes from shrinking.
How can I do that?
Wash clothes in cold water.
Does that really work?
Yes, it helps maintain fabric structure.
Interesting. What else?
Organize a laundry routine.
Why is that important?
It saves time and energy.
How can I organize it?
Sort clothes by color and fabric.
That makes sense. Anything else?
Yes, always clean the dryer lint.
Why is that necessary?
It improves efficiency and safety.
Great tips. Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome. Happy laundering!
Definitely, I'll start today. I had a laundry mishap.
Oh no! What happened?
I shrunk my favorite sweater.
That's unfortunate. How did it happen?
I washed it in hot water.
I see. That can cause shrinking.
Yes, I learned it the hard way.
Any other mishaps?
Yes, I dyed my clothes pink.
How did that happen?
I washed a red shirt with whites.
That's a common mistake.
Yes, now I have pink clothes.
Well, pink is a nice color.
True, but not for all my clothes.
I understand. Any lessons learned?
Yes, always check the laundry labels.
That's a good practice.
And separate clothes by color.
Another important tip.
Yes, it prevents color bleeding.
Thanks for sharing your experience.
You're welcome. Learn from my mistakes.
Definitely, I'll be more careful. We need to talk about laundry etiquette.
Sure, what's on your mind?
First, cleaning lint traps after use.
I agree, it's important for safety.
And it helps the machines run better.
True, I'll make sure to do that.
Next, not leaving clothes unattended.
Yes, it's inconvenient for others.
It can also lead to misplaced clothes.
I understand, I'll keep an eye on my laundry.
Lastly, respecting others' laundry time.
That's fair. We all need to do laundry.
Yes, we should avoid hogging the machines.
Agreed. We should be considerate.
Exactly, it's a shared laundry room.
Thanks for bringing this up.
You're welcome. Let's all do our part.
Absolutely, good laundry etiquette benefits us all.